Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, if you remember, in some of my past videos I did inform you about a trend that was being picked up in Canada by former international students. Like, they are claiming asylum, or you can say refugee status. So like I have always said that this is definitely not good. But before I proceed further in my video, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, as you can see that even our honorable immigration minister, Mr. Miller, has also published information about this trend. So there are so many pros and cons for everything, but for this one, like, you need to think twice, because first of all, you came to Canada as an international student, you worked for a few years, and now just in order to extend your stay or to buy in more time, you are claiming asylum. Like what based on my research, what I have found, that when you apply for an asylum, the same moment a removal order is issued for you, but that's not forcible. But once the claim is denied, that's forcible and you can be removed. And once you remove, it will be very difficult to come back. Okay, so that's what I was saying. And moreover, this is setting a wrong kind of trend also. Now already there are people who are against immigration. Okay, there are already, I would say, majority of the people against are against about immigration, based on recent survey and information that has been published. Now when this news breaks out, that means this will change minds of even more people. Many will think that asylum is a process for the needy people, right, those who have a real threat. But it should not be used as a backdoor to claim entry, because you cannot stay based on other pathways. So just in order to do so, do this is definitely not good. Now this will, what it will do, it will make coming to Canada even more difficult for many genuine students down the line, because now every student application, they are gonna wait very carefully, even at much higher level than before, as per my understanding and even my sixth sense. Because now first we had issues about people crossing into USA illegally. Okay, and because of that, definitely US government is gonna definitely review their immigration policies with the Canadian government, and who knows, it will have a negative impact. Second, 24-hour protest. Now third, this asylum. So all of these are gonna bring very bad name and will impact future prospective students. Definitely I do not support this kind of thing. Like, if you have a genuine case of asylum, definitely claim, that's your right. But do not misuse this as a what do you call, as a way to stay longer. So this is what I would suggest, guys. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about it. Thank you.